Krones service is changing, and we'll see behind me there's the big change that Krones is deploying a digital service center, which means that we will have experts globally in every region that will help our customers deal with the complexities of everyday production, not just the typical field that Krones has been doing on the machine technical availability, but looking at all of the customer's production, including processes, material, training on site. So we are taking our field experts and analyze you as a customer, the data, and help you improve step by step with our products. To make that work, we've developed a product called the Service Level Agreement, where we have our specialists from Krones that analyze the customer data, and on a reoccurring basis, so every month, we would have meetings with our clients and going through the most pressing issues that we found, and we'll go over what we talked last time and see if we could improve that. So we will help the customer together with digitalization. We look together at the same data, and then step by step look how to improve the production of the customer step by step. Not just to increase his output, but also to decrease the cost that we're having. So we're looking at comparing his changeovers. How long do they take, shift by shift? Do we need to have more training for the people? How is the handling of different faults in your unplanned downtimes? Do we have a material or do we have a technical problem? And we come in and we consult with this, and we will go so far that at one day we'll be able to guarantee specific KPIs together with the customer, and this is the vision where we're heading towards. But from today on, we are able also that it's a purchasable product, the SLA performance, to have Krones service optimized together with you, your costs and your output.